Hi guys, welcome. We are on Mate and we're discussing the effects we have on Mate with the terminals. So this is the Mate terminal and it has no transparency. Ctrl-T is what we press. We know our keyboard shortcuts. XFC4 terminal is there. There's Ctrl-Alt-Enter. That's opening up Mate then, the Mate terminal. There is URXVT you can launch. There is so much terminals. It's a choice, right? There is still the old one. Alacrity is going to be the replacer for Termite. So all of those guys are transparent. The question is, so I repeat, the question is, can we make Mate terminal transparent? Maybe, I don't know. So edit, profiles, profile preferences. That's where you need to go and have a look. Default, maybe edit this one. And if there's somewhere a color or a theme or anything like that, here we have it, transparent background, and you can set it if you want to, right? By default, we keep it the way it is. I mean by that, it's not gonna be transparent. So we have some differences and choices, and it's entirely up to you to go in here. Because there's one more thing, what would I change if I would be responsible for changing it? And like I said, I will not change it. It stays the way it is. You choose whether you like it or not. So solid color, background image, you can try it out, see what you like. But transparency should be more like this for my taste. And the scrolling, I don't like the scrolling at all. So disabled, unlimited. And I think that's gonna be all right already. Now I don't want the menu up here, but that's somewhere else. Show menu bar. And this is more like it. So if I would design my Mate terminal, then this would be my look. But hey, it's so personal. So be my guest and change it any way you like. Cheers.